The EURUSD has started the week with this small indecision candle on the Monday, where we can see the bulls and the bears could not push the price in their direction. After the strong bullish move in the previous week, the price has stopped here, where we can see a bearish pin bar on a Tuesday, where the price tried to reach again higher levels. You can see that the area here, the supply zone around this horizontal resistance, and also this uptrend trend line, which is now acting as a resistance, has pushed the price back down, making a smaller pin bar which is in between the resistance and support line here, which doesn't give so much strength, at least for me. But the price has reached the start of this supply zone and the price is back down. You can see that on a Wednesday the price has formed a bearish candle, and on a Thursday the price has tried to make a retrace back up, returning from this support and the demand zone around 1.11871, but the price reversed back down, and we can see that the price has stopped just in between 1.11871 and 1.10755. So the price is in between and it is back inside this uptrend channel. This means that the price has lost its strength a little bit when reaching this area around 1.13, and the price is now at 1.112 price level. On a weekly time frame we can see that this looks like a bearish retrace after reaching the higher levels. You can see that the price after the breaking 1.11871, the resistance line, the price has returned back down inside. There is in between these two price levels, as it was visible on a daily time frame. On a monthly time frame we can see that the price is still in the bullish mode. You can see that the price has reached this 1.1275 price level, and from there the price has bounced back down. This everything was mentioned in the previous analysis as a potential retrace after the price reaching this area around this price level. So if we take a look this month, which has one more week, we can see that the price is in between these two price levels. There is also a possibility that the price will make a retrace slightly more down around this area here, 1.1066, which is the critical level. We can see it also on monthly time frame. So the price can also move to the upwards, but this is hardly visible on a monthly time frame. But what we can see on a month, if the price stays above this area 1.1066, it will be a great signal for the bulls that the price has strength to leave the price above, and there is a possibility that the price could reach again higher levels in the following months. But for now the price is above 1.09860, which is a very critical area around this one. It is a great signal for the bulls that the price is above, and there is now enough strength, at least it's not visible on a monthly time frame for now. After the next week we'll see much more clear to push the price even more down. If we take a look on a weekly time frame, we can see that the first support is 1.1075, which is close to 1.106 area. You can see it here in the past. This is a very critical level for the weekly time frame. This area and also this area here, 1.122 and also 1.14105. So in the following week I am expecting that the price will drop down at least around this area 1.106, and from there we will see will the price manage to close the week below. If the price goes below these two price levels, you can see it here, then the price will continue to move down and reaching 1.1 price level. You can see it here, which is start of this demand zone on the monthly time frame, which is also a confluence of support right now. So if we go to the daily time frame, we can see what's happening, and also that 1.10755 is a critical support. You can see on the daily time frame that the critical levels are here 1.106, I have already mentioned, and also 1.104. If the price goes below this, then the next level where the price will stop is 1.1098, which is also close to 1.1 area, which is also a start of this demand zone. here we can see it is a very strong support and confluence of support, because we have so many lines crossing here, which is now supporting the price not falling more down. So for the next week, I'm expecting that the price will reach 1.106 area, and from there we will see will the price have enough strength to bounce back up, again attacking 1.11871, which is also a critical level now for the bulls. For the sellers, it's very important not to allow the price going above. If they allow the price to go up, that will mean that they have lost its strength. So the next level where the price will stop is this strong and also wide area for the supply zone where the sellers are waiting. So this is the area and also the critical levels for the bulls and also for the sellers, and this is the most important thing now for the bulls. We will see what happens around this area, 1.10755, but I am much more inclined to see the price on higher price levels than seeing the price going down and also reaching 1.1 price level. But let's see for the next week what will happen. We will see and have much more clear information about the monthly time frame and also the weekly time frame to see where the price could go in the future. But overall, I'm still bullish and I'm expecting the price will reach higher levels, at least for now, until since the price is above this area here. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading!